So this is the bag that I've been wearing all weekend. So I have shown this bag before on this channel, but I don't think I have shown it enough. I don't think I did a proper unboxing dedicated video for this particular bag on a full video. I have done that in a small short, but this bag is from Gucci. It's called the Small Emblem Shoulder Bag, and I am in love with this bag. And the reason why I'm so in love with this bag is because for primarily the colors. The colors are just perfect, just perfection, and I love silver. I just think that metallics are just such a beautiful option for handbags, and at the moment they're not as popular, especially with the new collection of Chanel and Dior with Jonathan Anderson. I am just gravitating towards Gucci a lot lately. I love Gucci, you guys. And if you haven't seen the movie, I think that I'm I've always loved Gucci, but I think that a couple of things help, definitely. I am worried about, with a new designer, what will happen with Gucci. I am really nervous about it, to be honest. So thank God I grabbed this bag right before it came in. But also I am gravitating to this bag a lot because it's just an easy on-the-go bag that primarily is a shoulder bag, and the strap length is just perfection for me and for so many women out there. Like, there's a lot of other bags, example like the Miu Miu crochet bag. I do like it, but the strap is just like toddler size. But this is just like so perfect, and I love also the entire strap is silver. By the way, this is 100% canvas and 100% calf leather. The cut and the design of this bag is just absolutely perfect. It is just like the perfect size between small, mini, but also everything fits. So I will give you a quick demonstration of everything that I have in here right now. So, and as you can see, still there's things that fit in there. Like, I don't have my car keys or my card holder, it's on my desk, but yeah, just so much fits in here. Quickly, I have my compact, a little cute hand cream sample from Lush, my phone with all these cute stickers. The company is called Academy, something like that. I found them on Instagram, so cute. A cute claw clip that is pink, obviously, and it says New York. 2 lip balms and 2 hand creams, and you can still fit so much more in here. So obviously the size, how much I can fit in here is like one of the primary reasons why I am carrying it so often lately. But also this strap is adjustable on one side, so there's 3 holes and they are numbered, which is quite funny because initially when I first got it I thought it was like a manufacturing mistake, and I actually went through the rabbit hole of actually looking through Gucci's website to determine if the numbers were visible on the pictures that they had on the website. Long story short, it is not an error. Yeah, as you can see, it's numbered. But yeah, I just feel like having it on the 3rd hole, it is so stylish. A lot of people don't think about these things, but sometimes the way you carry the bag, style the bag, the length of the strap, it does matter in styling. It definitely does. But also, I do love the colors, and I predominantly wear silver and or white gold, so that is kind of like what I gravitate towards the most. But also the zipper is like super convenient as well, and I just love this bag entirely, and it is just so easy, like kind of like on the go type of bag. Plus it looks just so cute on the shoulder. Okay, so don't mind me, I have pink shorts but I mean, how cute is this? Like, if you want to look like kind of like the rich girl next door, this is pretty much it. Okay, kind of like the rich girl in Paris or traveling, or maybe you're in Italy. This is just very cool, or even wherever you are in the US, you guys. Florida, Malibu. This bag just makes me look more feminine, more kind of like girly, and I really love that because I just like the cute kind of like rich girl aesthetic, to be honest. Plus the price point is just unbeatable. This is just around $1,000, this bag, so it's pretty affordable to be like Gucci, you guys. Now I was looking at their website before pressing record. It seems like this bag somehow has gone viral. So I did not see this bag available in Gucci's website, but I have seen this bag and so many other websites, kind of like people reselling this bag, which is kind of bizarre because initially when this came out, nobody was buying it, I don't think, but now it kind of went viral for some reason. I don't know who did that. I don't think it was me. Let me check. I don't think it was because of me, you guys. But the thing is that I am in love with this bag, you guys. It's like finding a cute kitty, you know, and you're like, you're not going away from me ever, ever, ever. By the way, so this bag has this little hardware right here where I can put a bag charm. The thing is that I have not found the perfect bag charm. I haven't. Gucci does have a few little cute ones that I considered. They have a cute little snowflake, but it's not Christmas season, even though it's literally snowing right now outside. And also they had a cute little turtle. I love turtles, but is it worth the Gucci price? I don't know, you guys. So anyway, I'm kind of like this. So sometimes I take the longest time, and it can be a year, and I haven't found a bag charm for this bag. I kind of like predict that is going to happen, slash I'm kind of over bag charms a little bit. I'm still using bag charms for other bags, kind of like beach bags and my Louis Vuitton bag, one of my Coach bags, but for this bag in particular, I haven't settled for a bag charm, and I'm just not the person that settles for things. This bag is too pretty for a bag charm. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you recommend a bag charm? I don't know. Maybe I should put, but it has to be small. Like if I get something, it has to be a different type of charm than what I have been getting in the past, and it has to be very small because I just don't want, it's like the turtle from Gucci. I do like it, but it's bigger than the bag, and it's gonna take away from the bag, and I just don't want that to happen. I just want like a small detail, really cute. Or maybe I should do it myself because I have jewelry that I'm not even using, so maybe I can convert one of my earrings or bracelets to a charm. I don't know if I really want to do that, you guys. I'm not a huge DIY person. I mean, I could be a DIY person, but it's just like, it's not really in me that much. Maybe it's because I'm very busy and I don't take time to do anything DIY. Yeah, so pretty much my corporate job takes a lot of my time. Example, I can use this as a bag charm. It is a Disney cute key that I got in Disney, but I got this in downtown Disney, and I love to go there because there's stores there that are not inside of the parks. But yeah, this doesn't work. It is just too big, okay? It has to be a lot tinier. It has to be even shorter than the size of this string. But it has to be kind of like something very cute, kind of like a jewelry piece or something like that, right? Kind of like with crystals. That is a great idea, with crystals, something tiny, you guys. That's what I'm thinking. Those are my thoughts. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I just really wanted to show this bag because I have been wearing it tons lately, and I know I have other bags, but I do like to show you which bags I'm wearing lately, because I'm never going to be one of those people that makes a video with a thumbnail bag purchase regrets. Yeah, that will never be me, because I'm the type of person that I really overthink my purchases and my decisions. That has always worked for me. I know a lot of people kind of like bash people that overthink, but I feel like that's one of my best tools, overthinking or deep analysis. To me, it's kind of like the same thing. I definitely do these kind of like mental debates, and I do like a pros and cons list, and I go through all this whole analysis, and I watch a lot of videos, and I go to websites, and I do like a deep dive, you guys. That's why I will never do like a purchase regret. Plus, that is kind of embarrassing if I did that, because then why am I spending money on bags in the first place? Like, that's why purchasing bags, fashion bags, or any kind of bag, after an analysis, after overthinking, after kind of like doing a personal debate, it is a lot smarter and a lot better than to buying a lot of quantity and then regretting a purchase or two. I just don't put myself in that position. I wouldn't recommend you do it. We can have debates in the comments like, oh, should I buy this bag? Should I not? What is everybody's opinion? I love that. I love debating, and not debating in a bad way. It's like debating like, does it make sense? Does this purchase make sense or not? And just going through the rabbit hole. It's like things that I put in my debate list, like how many times am I gonna wear it? Where am I gonna wear it at? Does it fit my body? Does it look good on me? Does the color look good on me as well? Does it match some of the things I have in my closet to wear with? Am I really that type of person that would wear that color? Like, this is my thought process. Not only that, it's like, am I gonna wear this bag for like the long haul, like 10 years from now? Am I still gonna wear the bag? That is kind of like what I do, and it works every time. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and see you on my next video. Bye.